In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Lightbox pop-up to your Wix website. First, open your Wix website, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to select the specific website you want to work on so you land on the correct Wix dashboard. This is your home base where you can access everything related to your site. Next, move into the website editor. On the left side menu of the dashboard, click Site and App. Depending on your view, it may appear as Site and Mobile App. From the drop-down, choose Website. You'll see a preview of your site. Double-check that it's the right one. When you're ready, click Design Site or tap the little pen icon to open the Wix website editor. This is the workspace where you'll make visual changes. Once you're in the editor, it's time to add the interactive element. Look to the left and click Add, sometimes labeled Add Elements. A panel will open. Find Interactive or Interactive Elements and select it. Inside this section, click Pop-ups. This is where Wix stores its lightboxes, which are attention-grabbing overlays that sit on top of your page content. Now choose and place your lightbox. You'll see several types, each designed for a different goal. Welcome for greeting new visitors, subscribe for collecting email addresses, promotion for showcasing offers, and contact for encouraging inquiries. Click the type that matches your objective and drag your chosen design onto the canvas. Place it where you want it to appear, most commonly centered so it's easy to notice without competing with the background page. Customize the lightbox to fit your brand and message. Click the Lightbox element to open its settings. Update the headline and body text with clear, concise language that explains the value of your offer. Change the button label to something action-oriented like subscribe, get offer, or contact us. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand so the Lightbox feels like a natural part of your site. In the settings, choose when the lightbox appears, such as immediately on page load or after a short delay. A slight delay can feel less intrusive and often improves engagement. Keep the design clean, make the close option easy to find, and ensure the text is readable on both desktop and mobile. When everything looks and feels right, publish your work. Click Publish in the top right corner to push the changes live. Now, when visitors open your page, your lightbox will appear and help capture attention for newsletters, promotions, or announcements. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.